Okay, here's another update for the garden. Things have gotten pretty big, eaten again. Here's the boysenberries.
Whoa, we're starting to get a farm. We're starting to get a farm.
I mean, I don't know about farm, Princess. We're starting to get a garden.
No, it's getting a garden.
There we go.
Let's see.
More boysenberries, and you see over here
Well,
the
garden.
broccoli and cauliflower. This is the cauliflower. Got eaten really bad again.
Yeah.
And then it's starting to just flower out. Come on, focus.
Spider.
So,
Spider. Oh, that's
yeah.
spider.
It's heat and bugs and wrong time of year, huh, Kellyanne?
It's
And then here's the broccoli.
broccoli and hey, broccoli.
Mm,
Oh, I remember these broccolis before.
yeah.
There was at my teacher's.
So now let's go over here and look at the move things around. Now there's this, because when it rains, it actually gets really flooded right here. So my dad dug this out and laid plastic and rocks. So here is the romaine, which is starting to come back. Let me get in here so you can see this. So as you can see here, it's getting really green on the inside. It's just from the outer stuff right there that got burnt from before. My Fresno is getting big and almost starting to turn red, slightly. Our zucchini and our squash. There's this. So here's this, and then got lots of stuff. Here's the zucchini right here. And then I think we have a squash over here. Where are you? Come here, leaf. There we go. So that one's starting to grow. And then as you can see in here, getting lots of flowers, babies on here. Hopefully we can get some more of these fruit. And we can get some squash and zucchini. So this is the little temporary sun thing that my dad made to help with the heat in the afternoon, because the plants need it. Here is the, cross over this, strawberries. Got lots of runners. Doing good. I just picked some cucumbers this morning. I need to thin these out tonight. Here's my other Fresno. Starting to turn red too. And then here's kind of funky how these are growing right here. So I think it's because of water. That's what I'm thinking. But, or nutrients, or both. There's that one too. So other than that, starting to get quite a bit of these. There's flowers everywhere. You can hear that noise. The lawnmower is my dad, I believe, mowing the front part of the yard. The tomatoes doing good. Starting to come back. I'm gonna have to thin these out because you see here at the top I have to start thinning those out. Again, the cilantro is not knowing what to do. I mean, it keeps flowering. I can't stop it. I don't know why. And then the basil's doing wonderful, but you see here, we're gonna need to, there's 3 plants. There's 1, 2, and 3, and they're starting to bush out. So we are going to need to separate those. And then the oregano, the parsley, we just cut some of that off. That's all from it getting burnt, but if you look here in the center where all the new stuff is coming out, it's pretty green. Just got some nutrient stuff. So here's the bell peppers. Seem to be doing okay. I picked the bell peppers just so we can get them off the plant so the plants can grow some more. The asparagus, just still flowering out. I don't know what to do with it. Hopefully we just get more. If not, we'll figure out what to do. The purple cabbage, starting to grow. Those ones are definitely too close, but looking good. We'll have to thin them out. Onions, the collard greens did get attacked again. So you can see there's some leaves in here, but they're getting so big. I had to spray again for caterpillars. The kids' carrots seem to be doing good. So now here's the tomatillos and the other carrots. Tomatillos seem to be doing really good in here. Lots of flowers on them. The carrots, as you can see, I'm gonna need some thinning soon. Just waiting for them to get a little stronger, a little bigger. I thinned them out before and they kind of didn't survive the grain. Look at this guy. I harvested some pickles off of here. There's one that's growing. That looks like it's gonna die off. Didn't get pollinated very well. It's just creeping over into the tomatillos. Gotta thin this one out too. I'll show you. So yeah, here we go with this. So yeah, it needs to be thinned out. It's taking over. There's my dad's chilies. So this is the habanero starting to get pretty big down here and bush up. Looks like we're getting some flowers in here. Where are you? There we go. Some flowers. This one's doing really well. This is the serrano. It's just growing and growing. Just doing so well. See, this is the old leaf. And then now the new growth. It's really green. Here's the other jalapeno. It's starting to grow. I need to start pruning it back again so it keeps growing. This jalapeno seems to be flowering. So gonna have to cut those off. This is my Anaheim chili, not doing so well, but I'm gonna get some different bug spray, fungicide spray. It's the other side of the pickling cucumbers. And then our watermelons. These need to be thinned out too. But as you can see, right there. We got a watermelon. So yeah, this is doing good. Got lots of flowers on here. Hopefully we start getting more watermelon. This temporary shade thing seems to be doing good for now. We've had to move the plants back a lot. But it's starting to look better. We had the little liner in here. I'm not sure if that was there last time. Yeah, it's a little teepee shade my dad made. And then we have this stuff over here. I picked a boysenberry. Some pickles, some cucumbers, well, pickling cucumbers, and then regular cucumbers. So yeah, until next time, bye.